Hi friends, welcome back to day 4 of our science week. I'm going to go ahead and share the PowerPoint with you all. So again, for day 4, we're going to continue talking about Earth resources and finding out how to answer our question of how can we keep the Earth healthy. Again, I'm going to go through the PowerPoint and ask you questions, and I'll pause to give you some time to think about it and respond. You can pause this video as many times as you want for as long as you are thinking and answering the questions. Let's jump in. So today we're going to be talking about how to keep the Earth healthy. Can we make a difference in the world? What do you think? Yes, we sure can. We can throw away our cups in a recycling bin, or our milk cartons in the recycling bin, or our newspaper in the recycling bin. So many ways to keep the earth healthy. Can we work to keep the earth healthy? What do you think? Yes, again, we sure can. We can do a lot to keep our earth healthy. This is a healthy and a happy earth, and we can work by putting our things in the recycling bin or the trash can or the compost bin. So to start, we're gonna watch a video. Make sure you're listening and watching along so we can talk about it after the video's over. Children can
Hello,
make a world of
I
difference.
am the Earth. Yep, the very planet you live on. There are 3 words which start with the letter R, which I love. They are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Do you know why I love them so much? Because they are almost magical words. They can make all living things, as well as myself, be happier. I said that they are almost magical because without your help, it won't work. They need all of you children in order to do the trick. Each and every one of you are the real 3 R's magicians, those 3 words which can change the world. Do you want to know how? Yes? Well, let's find out. The first R is for reduce. If you think about it, there are many things you don't need. When you go to the supermarket, I'm sure you can take your own canvas bags instead of using disposable ones given to you. Like that, you will be reducing the amount of plastic, which is very contaminating. And I'm sure that you don't need to print out so many documents or photos, nor leave lights, television, or computers on when you're not using them. If you remember this, you'll be reducing the amount of paper being used as well as energy, and in turn will be helping to reduce the contamination. And these are just a few examples. I am sure you can think of many more different ways to reduce what you are using or creating unnecessary waste. The following question will help you with this task. Do I really need this, or is this just a whim? The second R is for recycling. Now, it is easier than ever to recycle things we don't need anymore so that they can be reused. Near your home, you can find places like the recycling station and containers for cans, plastic, paper, or organic waste. They each have specific colors to make it easier to identify. By using them, you will avoid contaminating nature, the rivers and seas, as well as the atmosphere, which is the air we breathe. And finally, we have the third R, which refers to reuse. How many things do you think we can reuse again and again instead of throwing them away? Let's see. A piece of paper that has only one side printed on, a carton box, a plastic bottle. You think now. With just a little bit of imagination, I'm sure you can come up with many more exciting and fun new uses for them. And remember, if you apply the 3 R's rule, you will make me a much cleaner planet. with less contamination, and where we can all enjoy a better life. Because, as you know, children can make a world of difference.
All right, so that was our video. The Earth talked to us about reducing, reusing, and recycling. Those are the 3 things that we talked about as well. That was just more ways that you can reduce, reuse, and recycle. Another thing that the Earth talked about in that video was what happens when we don't reduce, reuse, and recycle. What happens to the seas, the environment, the atmosphere? It gets dirty. And if it gets dirty, it can get into the sea where the animals live. It can get into the streets where we drive or the sidewalks where we walk. It's really important to make sure we put our trash where it belongs. Our next activity is going to be to read this book called Every Day is Earth Day. And we're going to follow along with some characters to learn about the Earth. Every day is Earth Day. Let's clean up our planet.
Paper,
Paper,
cans,
cans,
plastic,
plastic, and I think she's got a watering can for all the animals and plants around her.
paper, cans, plastic.
Can you help clean up this mess? What is
Paper.
paper? Paper are things like this. So this is a newspaper. So I'm going to put it in the
Paper.
the paper bin. Okay, I'm going to go around, clean up all the paper. I want you to watch what happens as I clean up the paper. Okay.
Paper, 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 paper.
Okay. The next one is this purple bin, and it says
Cans,
cans. Is this a can? No, that's a milk carton. Is this a can? No, that's a soda bottle. So let's look at this soda can.
cans,
It worked. Cans. Again, keep watching as I put the soda cans in the cans bin.
cans, 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 cans.
What do you notice? There's a little raccoon.
Cans,
Oh, there goes a birdie, a purple birdie. Now we're going to clean up the plastic milk cartons.
plastic, plastic.
Oh, what else do you notice? What other animal came out? A little bunny, a bunny rabbit, huh? You click on her, she starts hopping around because there's space for her to go now, right? And then birdie's up in the tree. Now let's clean up the soda bottles.
Plastic,
Oh, look, there's a little fishy swimming down the river.
plastic,
And a little deer. How cute. You can click on them and they all swim and jump around. And look, another little bunny. This says,
thank you.
thank you. They're thanking us for helping clean up. We can make the earth a better place.
Our big earth needs cleaning, cleaning. Our big earth needs cleaning now. Pick up the litter, plant a tree. Now our earth is better, you see. Our big earth needs cleaning, cleaning. Our big earth needs cleaning now.
Great job. All right, let's see here. I don't know. Great job. All right, that's the end of our story, our book. So if you saw as I sorted through all of that trash and that litter that was all over the forest, as I picked it up and put it away, animals were able to come out and enjoy the habitat. But before they couldn't come out because there was trash and litter all over. So that's another reason it's really important for us to clean up after ourselves and put our trash where it belongs so animals have a place to live. You don't want trash all over your like tables and chairs and beds. They don't want that either. So that's the end of day 4. Great job helping me pick up those papers, cans, and plastics, and paying attention to the videos and the book. So what do we do now? Now we're going to go to the Google Classroom and complete the day 4 assignment. After you finish, you're going to submit a photo of you doing your task of choice. It says reduce, reuse, and recycle, all right? So we're going to go to our Google Classroom and we're going to look at the document that I have for you all. It's under classwork at the top, and you go down to day 4 assignment, and we're going to open that up, and I'm just going to show you it all really quick. So our assignment is going to be to conserve, reuse, or recycle. Okay, reduce, reuse, or recycle. And for this, you're going to pick one of these things that I have listed here for you. And you're going to think of how you can do it in your own home. So if it's daylight, you could turn off the lights so that you're conserving energy. And I want you to take a picture of the light being on first, and then you turning off the light. And then you're going to upload your picture to the classwork assignment. And then I'll be able to see all the fun and really helpful ways you all have helped keep the earth healthy. I can't wait to see all the fun and creative ideas you all have. Keep up the good work, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5. Bye.